Imagine a future where personal safety is taken to the next level. Anna is on her way home after a dinner with friends, and her mobile phone carries the ARCADIAN-IoT Drone Guard Angel app. After dinner, Anna requests a drone guard to follow her and ensure her personal safety on the way home by detecting possible threats. If something abnormal is detected, the drone can start maneuvers to scare or demotivate robbers, such as blinking lights and emitting sounds while calling for help. If injuries are detected through image recognition and microphone inputs, a rescue team can also be called. This scenario might become a reality soon, as the proliferation of connected Internet of Things devices grows continuously. But it also brings new challenges in terms of trust, security, and privacy management, such as impersonation, hacking of the smartphone or of the drone itself. That's why ARCADIAN-IoT Research and Innovation Action was created. We are a group of experts and innovators from 12 European countries with extensive expertise in cybersecurity, IoT systems, encryption, data privacy, and recovery mechanisms. We aim to develop a solid framework to enhance trust, security, and privacy, bringing protection measures to users of IoT devices and systems. Leveraging on and advancing technologies such as blockchain, chained encryption, decentralized identity, eSIM, biometrics, or federated AI, the ARCADIAN-IoT framework will ensure protection of users' identification, such as biometric data and identity credentials. It will also define trust evaluation models for the devices, services, and apps, where the end user is aware of the trustworthiness of the system components and of the data privacy. Finally, it will protect the users' and devices' sensitive data through encryption mechanisms and recovery ability. In Europe, the IoT landscape has seen an increasing number of novel technologies that require new solutions based on trust, security, and privacy. The validation of this framework through our research will have a positive impact on companies and individuals that develop, deploy, transform, and use IoT devices and systems.